Hey guys, it's Miriam. I work with a lot of salespeople who often ask me about how to get important information across to other sales team members or their manager on accounts inside of Dynamics 365. So right now I'm focused on an account, and let's say there was something big that was happening with ABC Skiing Jams. Maybe that was that we were about to close a $100,000 sale, and we want all users to be notified or aware of this before interacting with this account to make sure that they treat the account very well, or to have that in their front of their minds. And so how would I do that? We actually have an add-on that creates a field called pop-up notification, and you can see here it's a multi-line text field, so I can add in whatever I want. So I just want to say, hi alert, note that we are about to close a big 100K deal with customer, treat very well. So I want to put this note in as a salesperson so that my inside sales team, my customer service, my sales manager, and other sales folks know that this is an important account, and so when they come to this record, they would get this notification. So I happen to be on the record. I put the pop-up notification into the pop-up notification field, and if I refresh the page or if I just come back to this customer, then I will see that pop-up notification. So let's just do a quick search as if we were customer service pulling up ABC Skiing Jams because they just called us. So I'm doing a quick search. I'm going to click on the account and come into the record. And you can see here I get a nice pop-up window that's letting me know in my face and very boldly, hi alert, note that we are about to close a big 100K deal with customer, treat very well. And then I have to dismiss, click OK on the notification for it to go away. So it's not something that a user could miss when they come onto the record. They'll for sure see it, and it's something that's easily changeable. So I could come in here, remove the contents, and change. So you can see here it's really easy to use. If you wanted, you could use field security to lock down the pop-up notification field and limit it to certain users who would be putting these notifications on the account level. Hopefully this will help your team keep on top of things and stay on high alert about certain information on records that they need to know in an instant. For more information on the pop-up notification add-on, click the link. Thanks for joining me. Join me next time.